Chief Executive Member CM Gachanta Hills Autonomous District Council uba Thombor Shiwat bu Pedro Gitrat Finance hak singin kong gadorbar Mang Tyngka arjar penrio arjar penyoga Council hak khat pratrek ulber arjar penrio ulu Wanrah ke Mang Tyngka ke Duna khatsan Klur hendref warlak live frajar san spa Tyngka ban pentelon niki kam ke Council ula pentep baka bang pelut pisa kalong lai spa khandai Klur ar penrio lak prapo jar san spa Tyngka kat baka mang penmi pisa kalong ar spa khandai pulai Klur hendref saulak sawa arjar Tyngka dak bakdau baka mang pelut pisa ke tam ke mang penmi pisa uba Thombor long baki dau kilong namar kecing hab ban kentiu tulap iginong tray ke pension baru kecing hab ban mang pisa na butaki kam jong itrat baper ke Council ula kadauru iksen jam ki besai so jong ke Executive Committee kom kecing pa ke annual account ke Office Accountant General Audit kecing pelat ye ke area rebase pay and pension syakid khat ke yang dorbar ketaki barem bakum jo shikinong tray bla chungthai ula kadauru banakaliang ke Executive Committee kala pengkre ke District Fund Rule ke JHADC ye ke bala buak ban Wanrah ak dorbar liur banwan halo kecing permit renti ye ke thungkam ha Council ule thu ba kecing pej bani abyang ye ke service rule jo ke Council kadang ya chachat menta.
Respected Chairman and members of this August House. Today I stand before you in this August House to present the budget of the JHADC Thombor District Council for the financial year 2026 to 2027, which are to be credited to or is to be made from the district fund of this district council as laid down in Rule 109 of the Assam and Meghalaya Autonomous District Constitution of District Council Rules 1951 as adopted and amended by this district council. At the very outset, before the August House deliberate the proposed budget, I would like to take this opportunity to thank the Almighty God for granting us the knowledge and wisdom to run the administration of this council despite various challenges and difficulties. This budget reflects our commitment to responsible financial management, sustainable development for the welfare of our people in both East and West JHADC district, and we aim to use our resources wisely for the benefit of all. Drawing the attention of the August House, I am to mention that the proposed budget estimate for the ensuing financial year 26-27 bears an estimated receipt of rupees 293 crore 64 lakh 42,000 only, as against the estimated expenditure of rupees 309 26 lakh 80,500 only, reflecting a deficit of rupees 15 crore 62 lakh 38,500 only. The detailed actual receipt and actual expenditure may be verified from the actual column of 2024-25 of the proposed budget of 26 and 27. For clarification of the House, the present budget deficit has arisen mainly due to the certain expenditure which are necessary and unavoidable, like increasing in annual increment of pay and allowance of the employees, pensioners, and family pension holders, and also expenditure involved for the purpose of strengthening the work of various departments of the Council with the objective to ensure efficiency, competency, and transparency. Amidst the financial hardship, the Executive Committee, with the cooperation of the honorable members of this House, the officials and staff of the Council, have achieved Some significant milestones are highlighted below. Number 1, annual account. Our council have completed up to date compiling and submission of annual account to Accountant General Audit Meghalaya Shillong, that is till the year 2024 and 25. Number 2, the council has released the third and final installment payment of the remaining 20% outstanding arrears or revised pay and pension of the members, ex-MDCs, council employees, pensioners, family pension holders. With this, the arrear revised pay has been fully cleared from the council own fund during this financial year 25-26. The introduction of pension book for pensioners and family pension holders with instruction to have their pension book updated every half yearly and to appear before the pension disbursing authority at least twice a year, that is during the month of June and December. Number 4, inauguration of the office building of Taxation Department, Klur branch with a full-fledged staff. Number 5, his one notification of the indigenous class within the JHADC Autonomous District who are eligible for scheduled tribe status. The council could implement 48 schemes, projects in different localities of both East and West JHADC, such as road, drinking well, water tank, fencing, public toilet, shed, check dam, playground, food park, school building, community hall, etc. during this financial year 25-26. Further, I would like to apprise the House on the legislation undertaken by this Council. For the information of all the honorable members of the August House, I would like to inform that the drafting of the district fund rules of JHADC Autonomous District Council (DY) is completed, and hopefully it can be placed in the summer session to be held in the month of July after getting the prior approval of the governor. Digitalization of all forest large areas under the jurisdiction of the district council. Forest new working scheme for 5 years with effect from 2026 to 2027. The JHADC Autonomous District Service Rule 1981 is under process of re-examination. In conclusion, on behalf of the Executive Committee, I would like to say that this budget is not just a financial statement, but a roadmap for progress and prosperity. So I therefore request all the honorable members of this August House for their cooperation and support in implementing this budget successfully for the benefit of our people. This Executive Committee also expressed its desire to have a close and cordial relation with the government in all spheres of activities in implementation of our programs and policies in the right direction for the development and prosperity of the people of JHADC. The proposed budget estimate for the financial year 2026-27 is now placed for deliberation of the House.
Habatin, pej bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam Duna ki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlo ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing ma lani ka rukom shed yaki
Balehi banai kita.
ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus f menta kasni
Wanrah shapi lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya